Ooh, it's pretty packaging. Look at that. You know, like when a product just excites you.
Oh, yeah.
Stop that. Stop that. Oh, I like also how the postman has destroyed this again. Ooh. In the box are 3 keycards, a little toolkit, and a smart lock. Most impressive is that it can be extended on both sides to fit practically any lock, but rather ingeniously, it cannot be pulled off from the outside.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing sexual about being pulled off. Smut! The door thickness can be anything from 55 to 155 millimeters, thanks to the extendable bar, and the installation process is as simple as removing your retaining screw and pulling out your existing cylinder, inserting the new cylinder, finding the right place for it to turn your lock, tightening the outside handle to the bolt, securing the inside handle, and then putting batteries in the thing. Once you've replaced the retaining screw, that's it. 3 AAA batteries will last an entire year. And I've used Amazon batteries, because Amazon chairman Jeff Bezos does not have enough yachts. Not enough yachts! The batteries are kept in the outer handle, which is probably quite sensible because it means that if you have not noticed the warning in the app telling you that you have run out of battery, you will be able to go to the shop, get some batteries, replace the batteries, and let yourself into your house. It's not quite so sensible if a child happens to be passing by with an Allen key that they could steal your batteries. You little shits. There are parents watching. The little darlings. If a little darling happened to do this, I would kill them dead, and I think I'm legally entitled to. I'm pretty sure that's the way the law works. But to be clear, it's not very likely a child is going to be wandering around with an Allen key, and if a burglar opened this up and took the batteries out, the lock doesn't automatically unlock or anything. It remains exactly as it